Hello everyone, how you doing? My name is Sean Ishmael. I'm the CEO of Sunlit Solar. I would like to tell you right now with Wing and I, we are standing in Erbil, Iraq, Erbil, Kurdistan region. We have installed 200 watt Zain and the 30 watt Athena. As you can see, if you look across the street, can you videotape there? If you can see across the street, 40 meter from this side, across 40 meters from that side, and from left and right. As you can see the brightness. I have not seen anything like that throughout our company being in a business for over 9 years. Mr. Aurora, Mr. Wing, thank you very much. We always have the best feedback from the government, from Ministry of Electricity. You're doing a great job. Thank you. God bless you.